I want me come from, no J.A. I'm a birthplace, I want me play A. Stop by the river, on a Sunday. Then me drive, go the beach, down a Mopey. In a Portland, I want me reach there. But no worry, cause everything safe there.
It's J-Motion, I'm representing cameras, you know? What is
Baby, she rocks so, she dips so. She mix dance up with calypso. Where she move could have support me hips so. Oh, the culture and the lifestyle so sweet so.
Cameras capture the experience.
Tell her that.
Tell her that.
So you say?
Don't know, you know.
You're outside.
Outside.
Over there.
Where you at? I don't even know.
You don't even know. Cha-cha you out. You don't know. Alright, so we're there, what? Spring Paradise?
Spring Paradise.
All the way in Ocho Rios, St. Anne. So we're going to enter right here now and so we're going. The place here. So we're ready now for rolling. Alright, just give it unbound. Eh? Right up this here. Alright, mommy. Let's see, you come here already, Motion.
I remember who I come here, sir.
Oh.
I'm young though, I come here already, man.
Oh. So a long time I said about. So our next part, the reserve over there, so. This is our food, okay, you can come get some food right here, so.
Don't know. J-Motion is videoing. Tell her that. Hello, tourists. Tourists.
She's one of them nice girl, yeah. So it's a bar this, so you can get the drinks over here. Enough of volleyball net over there, so. So Motion, my friend, say a long time.
Yeah, man.
You know, you have look fun, you know, come out though.
Long time I don't come out, you know.
Alright, so you're outside, you know.
Outside, you know.
So this is the walkway and the entryway right here.
Never
whoa! The river look nice, man. Like a nice river. Yeah, it no look bad. No look bad at all.
I'm a different place, never come here.
Yeah, you never come here, so alright, it's a mix it up.
Mix it up.
Man say him never come here, so yeah.
Mix it up.
Hold up on the place, the place, nice.
Bag a girl on the river and fix it up.
Pump hard, cool now, my friend. Tell her that's the big bad artist here, I know.
Yeah.
Oh, the place beautiful. Place beautiful. I'm going to find somewhere for build now. So, wow, the river look nice. Oh, wow, that's here. Oh, bless her, wow, reserve. Come like, yo, come like, oh, bless her, reserve, you know. Reserve, I mean.
I want me come from, no J.A. I'm a birthplace, I want me play A. Stop by the river, on a Sunday. Then me drive, go the beach, down a Mopey. In a Portland, I want me reach there. But no worry, cause everything safe there. Next door, St. Thomas next day. Me have a chill spot, Morant Bay. She rocks so, she dips so. She mix dance.
Good, man. What a cool, I don't tell you.
So, oh, the culture and the lifestyle so sweet so. Launch on the beach, but me not tan. Turquoise, the lifestyle me live for me innocent and like everywhere me visit in at the island. Pull up on the road right at the jerk pan. Me one piece of chicken, she one piece of ham.
Yeah, my first tip. Water cool. Yeah. But that's why I said, don't let them place and the water always cool. Yeah.
Swim and duck in the water.
Yeah, but the water shallow. And then there's some powerful, it push you go way down there stuff. Eh? Yeah, this powerful, man. The water people, powerful. Up top, behave yourself. Pull it. They say deep. Gotcha. Tell her that. Where you say? Which way are they?
I don't know, man.
You don't know where you're there?
Honestly, I don't know.
Alright. You're there watching.
Yeah, watch it. Yeah.
So I go on the vibe.
Well, the vibes is nice and I hear the nice sexy girl.
Yeah, which is right.
Tell
Which
her
is 1 year. Alright. 2 years. Yeah.
I know it's J Motion I represent for cameras, you know? But it's TV. You see me? I realize. I don't know the button. Tell her that. Be yourself, you know? Cameras TV. Tell her. Yeah.
Say shy. Water cool. Tell people what you say.
Brother, step right there, you know?
Yo.
I thought it was shallow, honestly, but eventually very deep.
Yeah. Yo. Man say.
It's a good look right there, you know?
Yes, a good look, man.
Yeah.
Boss, I say, him a go in at the swing and when him step down, him drop down in a ditch. Mafia wonder how I reach him a while ago.
Drop down in a ditch, right? And I'm screaming like a bitch, you know?
Oh, God. Easy
Yeah, but later you're gonna eat some steamed fish.
Alright, which is right. Yo,
Come on there, we'll pull it rich.
rich out. Every day. Switch out.
Nah, switch out.
Every day.
That's it.
Alright, place nice, man. On in there, you know?
Yeah, but she don't like the video, you know?
Let's just play that video. I want the video like her, man. Oh.
She don't like the video.
Tell you that, boss. We reach you fast. From Earl, from Shirley, we there. Shirley. And the place well nice, me I tell you. Nice vibes, you know? 5 bills admission and you reach in 2 bills to the kids and 250, don't remember. Alright, so this is a bar area. I don't know, you have to fit the criteria. I have a nice little walking park. I hate this. Oh, you can walk come down here so too. You have a different part down here, so you have chair here, you can rent chair. Look like you can rent chair down here so. Only for people down here so too, man. It's a different part this. Oh, you have a different part down here so too. Okay, so you can walk come down here so and go down there. See bar, yeah. Tell you that. Tell you that. Girl, them say it hot.
Later we're gonna put on a pot. Girl, them on the roof on a TikTok.
Alright.
Give them a back.
Yeah. You say get something for go and sit.
Yeah, I realize.
Strong out in a dragon. Alright, dragon. Guinness.
Strong out and we're there hang out. You know?
Yeah.
You see later when the girl and the girl have hang out.
Just cool, man. Tell you that.
Tell her that.
Yeah, them say it hot, you know. Behave yourself.
Tell her that. I'm see a girl, I say beg her that.
Alright, I just say it there.
Cool arrive now.
Yeah, man, every time, dog.
Yeah.
Never know, say I said down here so big, brother. Yeah. Yeah, over there so nice. Yeah, look, so that's so nice, man. Lots of people there. Yeah, so where I say? Eh? Where I say?
Yeah, but they are freestyle.
Yeah.
And style.
So, yeah, man, I'll find a view. Yeah.
It is a nice look and such, you know?
Yeah, so. There say the vibes turn up, my boss.
The vibes is turn up, you know?
Yeah.
Vibes turn up and burn up.
Alright. Indeed, and the
Girl, them act like sun up.
Alright, see there? Yeah, I like the sun and the place.
During the day, you better come run up.
Alright.
You see?
Come run up.
Yeah.
You want whole lot of people there. And the place full of vibes. Full of vibes. Yeah.
Cameras, Stevie, you know?
Cameras.
Yeah.
Outside.
Going up a landslide.
Alright. Oh people, water cool like ice. See one motion here. Ready for going there. Yes,
Speechless.
Speechless.
Yeah,
Run out of words.
Yeah, speechless.
Run out of words, you. Gotcha. Hey, you have something to say? Eh? Say she don't have nothing to say, you know? So we're not pressure. Well, look on the view. We're outside. Yeah, go back here. Yo, she can swim? Oh, the fuck go she wash your brother? Why? No, she better make sure you can swim in her brother. Oh yeah man, that is it. Watch the ladies them walk come in. Yes. You're outside man. Behave your damn self. Save yourself. Save yourself, youth. Yeah, the ladies them come in. Is that you have the vibes? Yeah. Eh? Yeah. Yeah. Yo, man, I tell you, select that you have to touch your mic, you know, brother. Yeah, you have to touch your mic, brother.
Check him out, you know?
Yeah. Pull up. Yo, I said motion out.
Look at what, what's in the pocket? See what's there? Play back a second.
See bad too?
Yes, I'm going to go. Hello, come here, my friend. Where are you? Come on, line.
So them a say she I wanna back on them. So we'll see.
Say name Kessan. So, you ready for match of the place, Kessan? Tell the people. Oh, man, more here. Kessan, talk loud now. Okay. Hey, don't bother me, no. I have pickpocket. Go on again, play one song. Come on again. Go. Bend over. Put that money up now. Put that money up now. Yes. Stand back on the line. Hey, we can't put the kids on the look. We don't see them on the line. Put the kids on the side, please. Yeah, man. Get them on the side when you go play one game. Who play the ball? Kids on the play one game. Play the kids on the side. Get them down.
What's going on with it? About me?
It's not high, you can't hear me now? You can't hear me now. 20 pounds? I was 100. You can say 120 that day. 120.
Look, sing a song. Yeah, request the woman. How much you work here? How much you work here? No, how much you work here? Can you say you go 100? How much you have? No, listen to my son, my friend. They say she have one good in her something. So we say, how much you work here? How much you work here?
So why you pray?
So you big up your woman. Oh.
When that's to push them much back.
Alright, you can dance. So yeah, how much you dance? Play one song, let's go.
We wicked and your body, no. Wetter than the sun, motion, the boy them sudden true. We up and now we got it, no. That I make them mad, you know.
Yo, look what this is.
Money in my pocket increase. Alright, people.
How you on? Play Pakistan, look up, press play.
Number honorable my road GGs. Smell me cologne, I live on G. Bitchy red ski, rated PG. And
No, sir! You! Is anybody acquired? Sineke no, yo. Sineke no, what's that? You never want to know. The man there. Move on, sir. This is the big girl. We'll make a long line cross. A heavy girl come back. Listen, yeah. 100%. You two, yes, the girl. You come. No, man, not that way. No, come. If you not come, go one side, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, come here, come. I'm beautiful, come. Come besides. Get besides, I'm here. You. Yes, sir.
Like text me a shell down the bar, them better have vest. Tell her that. Image make them want up the mouth.
Hold up there, Rough cut, there are mixing up. Who's the name girl you feel lead?
Yes, stay tight. That woman, they want one wicked.
Alright, here we go now. Is my friend in there, black? Oh, come on here.
make it jiggle, make it wiggle. When you me get love icicle, ready fast like a new bicycle. And I feel that heat not tickle.
I'm boss right here. Boss, you need to find the boss now. You need to find the boss now. I want to see it to the what kind of traffic car back there? Play some of them. Play one song. Yes, to be on early, Joe, you know. Put up on the gang, put up on the gang. Stop bluffing. Go back in there, all right. Bluffing, take over. I'm saying, watch out, bluff you, white bastard. Oh, Jesus Christ, do bluffing. Well on them. Hello. What are you? One more time, first. Please, hello. Come here. Come here, no man. Start the ball again. If you go there, I'm going to turn off his horn. Come on. And you start the ball again. If you want to know Jesus, nobody can go to the museum for that. But the people say, watch out. No, sir. No. Hey, come here. Come here. Hello. You have the full man time back in everything. If we're not going to the party, I'm boring. When I go, where do you go? No. Come back down, sir. Let me come back to the bus. I want to start the hands out. What the vibe? Yeah, no?
Mash up the place and gone. Jaja youth. Say the big man them a go on away.
In real life.
I mean, you say come take this show.
Hello, I get the money.
Tell her that. Mash
I
up
get
the
the money in
place,
envelope.
man.
I'm brown envelope everything.
The man them before
Brown
that
envelope. Brown envelope. I get the money. No worries.
Look like Bob Marley, but not Bob Marley. And that's a Rasta man. Ready? Snap on.
Don't know, I don't even know if I'm Bob Marley this time. What's your going on? Down the Haile Selassie, you know? Tell her that. Don't know there, for the page, everybody is screaming for a dance, you know? Yeah, man, it's a nice look, and
Nice.
nice, you know? Yeah, man, I enjoy myself, have a bus, you know? Yeah, man, eventually the food was nice. Yeah, man, cameras, TV.
Say boss, I take a picture. Cross. Yeah, this is the front entrance. So the 26th is going to be a fun day. Yeah, so you can bring out your family, even if you and your friends, whosoever, a loved one. Yeah, just roll out, man. And even if you not come the 26th, you can come here any day. Because the home from Sunday to Sunday, right?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
From Friday, you open every day.
Every day.
Free food
Every day. There's a free food over there too? Alright, that's how you go. Free food over there, the people, so they come in, yeah, man. Alright, mommy, take care, yeah?
Take care.
Alright, yeah, man, alright. Yeah, today was a great day, no? So we're about to head out here now and touch out. Tell you that. Girl, them say it. Let me get your take there on the trip there. How was everything?
Yeah,
From
man,
the driving, come to down here. Give me an experience.
Well, everything was excellent and, you know,
True,
and
true.
stuff, and plus the river have a buzz and such, and plus I enjoy the food and stuff, you know.
Yes,
man,
so
everything was great, the whole atmosphere and everything, you know.
True.
And the vibes was right, you know, and females them come out, you know.
yeah,
I don't know.
true.
I really like.
I know tell the people to say afraid of water because water too cold.
But eventually water cold still. The water was fine, so I enjoy the water. We're not afraid of the water.
True,
You see,
true.
the water
Not up
afraid
in
of
the
it.
in there, not up in the in there.
Not up in there.
Jaja you
Yeah,
out.
man. I really
Yeah, man.
like, yeah.
Outside. So you
Yeah,
say,
man.
Mario, you want to give your take on the experience? We say a thumbs up. You get a thumbs up? Alright, alright. See the people say, see the place are going, alright? And this is the parking area. Yeah, man, so you don't know the thing go. And see across from the place there? Yeah, so let's check it out, man. Check it out. The beach,